Station 1. The engine of life, heart and circulation. The mighty pump. The average human heart beats about 100,000 times a day.
Wow.
Over a lifetime, it pumps about 2 million barrels of blood, enough to fill 2 supertankers. The blood's journey. Every day, your blood travels a total distance of 19,000 kilometers, approximately 12,000 miles. That is nearly half the circumference of the Earth. Endless network. If you unraveled all the blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries, in an adult and laid them end to end, they would stretch for 100,000 kilometers. That is long enough to circle the Earth 2.5 times.
Wow.
Station 2. The supercomputer, brain and nerves. Lightning speed. Nerve impulses travel to and from the brain at speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour, 250 miles per hour, faster than a Formula One racing car.
Wow.
Infinite storage. Scientists estimate the brain's storage capacity to be around 2.5 petabytes, 2.5 million gigabytes. That is enough to hold 300 years' worth of continuous high-definition video. Energy consumption. While the brain represents only 2% of your body weight, it consumes 20% of your total oxygen and calorie intake. Bioelectricity. At any given moment, your brain generates enough electricity to power a small LED light bulb. Station 3. The changing framework. Bones and muscles. Disappearing bones. Babies are born with 300 bones. As they grow, many of these bones fuse together, leaving adults with only 206 bones. Biological steel. The femur, thigh bone, is the longest and strongest bone. Ounce for ounce, it is 4 times stronger than reinforced concrete in supporting weight. The untiring muscle. The heart is the only muscle that never gets tired or suffers from cramps throughout your life.
Yes!
Station 4. The chemical laboratory, digestion and senses. Stomach regeneration. Your stomach produces a new lining every 3 to 4 days to prevent it from digesting itself with its own powerful acids. Acids strong enough to dissolve metal razor blades. The tongue print. Just like fingerprints, every human has a unique tongue print. No 2 people in the world have the exact same pattern. A nose for memory. The human nose can recognize and remember over 50,000 different scents, and smells are directly linked to the brain's memory center. Visual power. The human eye can distinguish between 10 million different colors. The muscles that focus the eye are the most active in the body, moving about 100,000 times a day. Station 5. Microscopic and genetic facts. The library of DNA. If you uncoiled the DNA in just one cell, it would be 2 meters long. If you uncoiled all the DNA in your entire body, it would reach to Pluto and back. More bacteria than human. Recent studies, as of 2025, confirm that we are roughly a 1 to 1.3 ratio of human cells to bacterial cells. You are, in a sense, a walking ecosystem. Household dust. Did you know that a large portion of the dust in your home is actually dead skin? Humans shed about 40,000 skin cells every single minute. Station 6. Cutting-edge discoveries of 2025 superantibodies. In early 2025, researchers documented the human body's ability to produce ultra-potent antibodies previously unknown to science, capable of neutralizing complex viral strains through digital immunology. Neuroplasticity pathways. 2025 experiments proved the brain has reserved neural pathways that can be activated to compensate for lost senses, like seeing through touch, with much higher efficiency than previously thought.